Come on, let there be a fish tucker. Stonker, tromper, romper, stomper. Right, so I had to reset the anchor, almost in the same spot last time I caught a few snappers. Makes a difference, a few metres, for some reason. Then again, I haven't caught anything yet. Just gonna plonk it right down here, nothing too far. Because the current is coming in. Alrighty, so I've got our first fish of the day. Really quiet, there's not much on the sounder. It's not a bit of bait. Oh, okay, pinky, target species. That's a good sign. Must be a residential one. Nice little fish there. Way too small. Want to get the 50cm one. Nice fish tucker size. That's good. It just proves that, yeah, nothing's on the sounder, but there's still a few little fish around. About time. No fish tucker yet. It's first fish of the day. Get this one out here. The sun's just creeping up. Oh, oh, here we go. Here we go. Oh, oh. Boys, bit of curry. Could be another smallish snapper, maybe. Yeah. Oh no, sandbite. Yeah, very small sandbite. Bit of fun there on like you, just on the lip. Well, it's good to see the fish. Good to see the fish starting to rock up. Lovely. Oh, you saw that? Oh, soft plastic hasn't been hit yet. What I might do is cast that way, so that's where the current's going. The birdie might be going that way too. Oh yeah. Another smaller fish. Let's have a look here. Jeez, nothing edible yet. Fishing for food. A little brim size snapper there. Just surprised there's no skippy silver trevally out here. The place is usually stacked with them. So I think today is just a matter of practicing my skills. Sounder is just dead. There's just no big activity. Soft plastic hasn't been hit. Oh, here you go. See again. And I had to really downsize the hooks. Yeah, so he's come off. It's just small snappers. Just using the bits of muley, pilchard. All right, bit of boom here. Oh, bit of boom. Just trying to work out what fish it is. I'd have to say it's a little pinky. The flash in the water. There you go, yeah, pinky. Oh, it's getting bigger. Here we go again. There you go. Oh yeah, mate. Woo! It's fired away. Another smallish fish. Trying to play around with him. Colour for the water there. See, another snapper. Lovely fish. It's almost like going broom fishing. Good on you, buddy. Righto. Come on, let there be a fish tucker. Really quiet. She doesn't want to come up. See for the water. Oh, is this sand bait? Okay. Thought it was a bit different. So that's just about it for the fishing. Really quiet. Could be a bad moon phase as well. Possibly. Could be a fish tucker. No, I say it's not a sandboy. Yeah, the way they shake. Boom, 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 boom. What have I got here? Oh no, hang on. That's a brown spotted wrasse. So, I've got a bit of weed here. No, I didn't get a weed. Oh my God, I got a good old rockfish. I thought it was a bit of a dead weight. How about that? Right on the bottom. Hooked up a bit of limestone. Bloody hell. Alrighty. Time to go. See if I can get a bit of whiting. Just got to change the anchor to a sand anchor. Get rid of the pick. Ugh. There you go. These picks are really good. Righto. What I've got here, it's a short chain. So it's pretty rare I'm going to get snagged on too much. And the sand anchor, heaps of chain, because you do need it. Right, so I've just moved out to about 15 metres. It's all sandy. And I'm not even going to scout, I'm just going to throw the anchor down. So 15 metres. I need a fair bit of line out here. There's a lot of birds around here too. Never know, there's a lot of bait fish. Might be something hanging around. That should be sufficient. Yeah, frozen stuff, that'll be right. Okie dokie. Might let a bit more line out, compensate for this chop. Makes it a lot more smoother. Right, let's get some fish tucker. Pointless throwing the burley pot overboard because it's way too deep for the line. Got my rig already set up. Bait's frozen, but should be right. Righto, let's see how we go. I say the smaller species of whiting. Is he on? He's on. Hopefully he's whiting. Don't want to see any butterfish. What do you got here? Oh, it's a stonk of a whiting. It's a stonk of a whiting. Let's come on this side of the boat. Yeah, so that's nice. I'll plonk that down here. That isn't too bad at all. When the tough gets going, go and get some real good tucker. Good old humble sand whiting. Right. I just noticed on the sounder I can actually see fish down there. Torretti and rumbly. Oh my God. Woohoo! That's a beauty. That's a beauty, and this squid is doing well. Old squid. Long shank hooks. Man, is it packing a punch out here. Which was the forecast. Windy. Whoa. Might as well just chuck them up, leave it open. So it's go, go, go now. Boom, boom again. Boom, boom again. Could be two. It's pulling line. Got here, got here. No, just the one. Awesome. Best fish tucker. Nice and simple to catch. Not too technical. Really deliciously eating if you got kids or even new people that don't know how to fish. Whiting is a really good introductory species, and you get hooked. So I'm definitely in a good patch here. Oh, this one's giving me curry. Yeah, I'm getting smacked. Oh yeah, here we go. Here we go. Here we go, here we go. Woohoo! Breaching. I tell you what, my hands are so cold, I'm getting a lot of comfort from those whiting because they're quite warm down there. Almost tempted to throw a bigger bait. Yeah, so there's a lot of activity down here. Right, so I've got a bottom meat out here with a muley and a squid leg. Just gonna let it hit on the bottom. Chances are there's probably a stingray that might go for that. There we go. Oh, this has got a bit of like this one here. That's why. Two stonker chompers. Stonker chomper romper stomper. Beautiful. And the bottom meat's really getting attacked. So even having like a big bait out there with some hooks, it sort of acts as like a FAD, fish attracting device. The whiting will just go and pick at it, and yeah, bring in the fish. So it's a good size, this one. Yep, he's on. He's on. What have we got? Oh, two good size again. Yeah, so bait change. A bit more bigger bait. Could have double. One big one. Woohoo! That's a good one. That's a sausage size whiting. What have I got here? Oh man, they're getting big. They're getting big. All right, time for a breather. Righto, so the prep work involved in this dish, basically catch your fish, and I've got the beautiful whiting, 40 fillets them right here. I've got the skippy as well, the trevally, just putting one fillet on there, do that for another dish, leek, bacon, and I'll show you what else we're going to do. I'm actually going to be making a fish pie, and for some reason I saw something on telly. Rick Stein is an absolute guru at seafood, and he made a fish pie the other day, and I said, no, I'm going to make that. Probably not as good as his. We'll give it a crack. Okay, let's start it up. As you can see, it's raining and the clouds have opened up. I've got a bit of an opportunity to start cooking before I get downpoured on. So just got some olive oil to start off with. So straight away I'm going to throw in the bacon and the leeks. Let that sizzle away for a bit. Oh yeah, it's looking really good. It smells great too. I've never really cooked with leek before. Some frozen peas in there. I think Rick's recipe is either hard-boiled egg or some potatoes. I'll put sweet potato, starchy, a bit of white wine will do. Put in a decent portion of the butter. There we go, the wind again. Should do for the time being. Bit of cream, not too much. Bit of pepper and some salt, which I'll do later. I'm actually going to put some of these buds, the broccoletti. It's an Italian broccolini, that tastes far better than broccolini. Just going to put 2 of them in. There we go, just chuck all that. Righto, so just put a little bit of flour in here. Just, oh shit, too much. Alright, I'll stuff that up. A bit more wine will fix that up. Alrighty, so I'll just take this off for the time being. I'll put this slurry in here. And I'm going to put the fish right in here, raw, so it can actually cook up in the oven. So I've got a fair bit in here. Yep, looks pretty good. Take it down there, put the pastry on top, a bit of a crust. Right, the fish pie is looking great. Little fish mark. Make sure it's cut there, that's it. Oh my god, now the telephone's going off. Alright, sorry about that. Relatives from interstate. It's the Aldo, if you hear me mate, thanks for calling. Uncle Aldo. All the way from Wollongong. Anyway, let's put this in the oven. Now, I don't have to wait too long because that fish won't take too long. I reckon probably about 10-15 minutes or maybe 2 beers. Depends how thirsty you are. Way to go, 180 I reckon. Maybe a bit less. Whew, can't wait. Alrighty, let's have a look at this beauty. Got the pie down here. Look at that. Whew, look at that. And I've got a bit of entree up here. Just puff pastry, a bit of cheese and peppers. Alrighty. It's definitely cooked. Righto, let's crack this beauty open. Nice and crispy.
Where's the fish pie?
This is fish pie.
Is it?
Straight from Cornwall. Rick Stein made it for you, Mum.
Oh.
Yeah, Rick Stein.
Should have done it after that.
Just I put a Dom's Fish Adventures. Alright, let's see how this goes. Sorry for the TV. Let's have a look. Oh, look at that. Alright, look at that. Fish pie. Dom's recipe. Let's just have a bit. It looks delicious. Look at the fish there before the sauce. Have a good spoon there. I might actually use a spoon. There we go. Bon appetit. It's hot. It's delicious. That white wine towards the end to make it a bit more juicy. Absolutely. A lot of work, but it's pretty good. Anyway, by the time I get another piece, let's take off that. You can see all the fish there. It's well cooked. The veggies, the sweet potatoes, nice and soft. Bloody fine. No rest. Anyway, and the fillet pastry here, or the puff pastry. And I made an appetizer too. Anyway, I better get out of here. Finish off this taco with Mum. Till next time, take it easy. Bon appetit.
Fish, tucker, fish, tucker,
Cheers.
fish, tucker, man. Fish, tucker,
Sorry, Mum.
fish, tucker, the fish, tucker,
appetit.
man.